How to switch Roblox account on your computer. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the switch Roblox account feature in your desktop computer or your laptop. So first, you need to launch your web browser, go to roblox.com, or you can also use the application. Then log into your account and tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the option of switch accounts. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll get the list of Roblox devices where you can go ahead and switch and log in. But if you do not see the account that you want to switch, you can go ahead and tap on this add account option. This will take you to the login portal from where you can go ahead, enter the username, email, or phone number in this box, followed by the correct password of that specific account, and then tap on login. In the case if you have forgotten your password or username, tap on this option over here and you'll be able to do it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.